10 foods to improve blood circulation throughout your body. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Did you know that maintaining healthy blood circulation is crucial for our overall well-being? Our circulatory system ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach every part of our body, keeping us energized and healthy. In today's video, we'll explore 10 amazing foods that can help improve blood circulation throughout your body. But remember, this video is for educational purposes only and should not substitute professional medical advice. So, let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, recipes, and lifestyle advice. Take a step towards a healthier you. Stay tuned and stay healthy. When it comes to enhancing blood circulation throughout your body, incorporating specific foods into your diet can make a significant difference. Let's start with one of the most powerful ingredients, ginger. According to a study published in PubMed, ginger has been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties that can improve blood flow. You can easily add ginger to your diet by enjoying it in teas, smoothies, or even as a spice in your meals. Another fantastic food to consider is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which have been shown to promote blood vessel dilation and improve circulation. A study published in PubMed suggests that consuming dark chocolate with a cocoa content of at least 70% can have positive effects on blood flow. So, indulge in a small piece of dark chocolate guilt-free. Moving on, let's talk about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in nitrates, which can help widen blood vessels and enhance circulation. A study cited in PubMed found that a diet high in leafy greens led to improved blood flow. So, make sure to include a generous portion of these greens in your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Now, let's not forget about the power of berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and flavonoids that can support healthy blood circulation. A study published in PubMed suggests that the consumption of berries can improve blood flow and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. So, grab a handful of these delicious fruits as a snack or add them to your morning oatmeal for a tasty and nutritious boost. Next up, we have citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Vitamin C helps strengthen the walls of blood vessels, promoting better blood flow. So, start your day with a refreshing glass of orange juice or add a squeeze of lemon to your water for a zesty boost. Moving on to nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. A study cited in PubMed suggests that incorporating these healthy fats into your diet can have positive effects on cardiovascular health. So, snack on a handful of nuts or sprinkle some seeds on your salads or yogurt. Let's not forget about the power of garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. A study cited in PubMed highlights the positive effects of garlic on blood circulation. Consider adding garlic to your meals, whether it's in soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables, to reap its benefits. Moving on, we have beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which can help widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. A study published in PubMed suggests that consuming beetroot juice can enhance exercise performance and cardiovascular health. So, Consider adding beets to your salads or enjoy a glass of beetroot juice for a natural circulation boost. Let's talk about turmeric. This vibrant spice contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A study cited in PubMed suggests that curcumin can improve blood flow and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. So, sprinkle some turmeric in your curries, smoothies, or even in your morning cup of tea. Next up, we have oily fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. A study published in PubMed suggests that consuming oily fish can have positive effects on cardiovascular health. So, include these fish in your diet a few times a week for a heart-healthy boost. Lastly, let's not forget about green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve blood flow and reduce the risk of heart disease. A study cited in PubMed suggests that regular consumption of green tea can have positive effects on cardiovascular health. So, swap your regular cup of tea or coffee with a soothing cup of green tea. And there you have it, folks. These 10 amazing foods can help improve blood circulation throughout your body. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you'd like to explore more health tips, recipes, and lifestyle advice, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle and stay tuned for more exciting content. Stay healthy, everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Stay healthy, stay happy.